welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Today we'll talk about genetic sequencing crucial for diagnosing growth disorders, study finds. In an article published in the Journal of Pediatrics, researchers have described the case of a 9-year-old boy admitted to hospital with multiple symptoms and overlapping conditions that made diagnosis difficult, such as short stature, thin tooth enamel or the dental enamel hypoplasia, moderate mental deficiency, speech delay, asthma, mildly altered blood sugar, and history of recurring infections in infancy. The team used exome sequencing, in which only the protein coding portions of the genome is analyzed, to look for genetic mutations and found them in the GCK and the BCL11B. As a result, the diagnosis was monogenic diabetes and T-cell abnormality syndrome, both of which are rare diseases. Identification of the exact cause of the problem and the discovery of blood sugar alteration significantly influenced their choice of treatment. For the study, researchers sequenced the exome of 115 patients with syndromic growth disorders that had hitherto unknown causes, diagnosing 63 on the basis of the genetic analysis. 9.5% of these had multiple diagnoses, far more than in previous studies.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The cases involve 2 or more rare monogenic conditions in the same patient. Such cases are very hard to diagnose, especially by clinical assessments alone. The study highlights the need to use broad genetic tests such as whole exome or whole genome sequencing for these patients as the only way to identify the rare diseases that explains the clusters of condition, said Alexander Augusto de Lima, author of the article. There are numerous rare diseases, including growth disorders, so it is naturally difficult to identify many of them, he added. Between 5% and 10% of the world's population is believed to have a rare disease. The study's findings highlight the importance of considering multiple genetic diagnoses in complex cases of growth disorder. This approach offers new treatment and genetic counselling avenues, diverging from the traditional single diagnosis paradigm. The researchers also state that the development of next-generation sequencing techniques such as whole exome or whole genome sequencing has made selecting a single gene as the candidate to explain a case unnecessary. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.